Gotta make sure brace yourself properly. Stance, lean into that gun like you're trying to poke somebody's eye out with a gun. Little high onto your shoulder for me. It in there solid. Look down. Now they three different type shots. Look at the barge. See if you have an impact. Aim for the barge, and you're gonna feel the difference. Get ready. Whenever you're ready. Bird shot. Box shot. You're finished. Close, pull it back. Pull the breech back. Pull it back and let it go forward. Go again. There, go again. It's almost there. Good.
I just had to do this for me later.
Slug. Pull it back and let it drop out. Pull it back and it'll come out. Oh man. So what do you think is slug, man? And you're a big man, see that slug do to you?